Now, if you're looking to sound smart at your next social gathering, here's a casual hot take you can just throw out there at the next drinks table. Data-driven companies aren't the ones with the most data. They're the ones where people actually trust the data they use and have access to. So maybe 10 years ago, or even further, when big data really hit peak hype, having more data was definitely a competitive advantage. So this speaks to the fact that maybe 10, 15 years ago, when the big data hype was at its peak, having more data was a challenge on its own. It was a new unlocked opportunity, given there was more infrastructure to mine the data, actually derive value from it. So having bulks of data, that alone could have been a competitive advantage. These days, it's not so much. There's different tools that produce their own data. We have plenty of data, typically, even in smaller companies, but it might be very scattered. And that, combined with bad definitions and maybe bad oversight, leads to a lack of confidence in the data. So, and if you have the confidence, we don't spend a lot of time discussing that data, and we can now make quicker decisions. Also, what that means today, we talked about how do we align the data from data of marketing and sales. So if that's aligned, we have trust between the parties as well. So all the data sources that we have coming in contribute to the same single source of truth. That trust in that alignment, that reduces friction, and it turns who's right debates into what do we do with this debate. So that stimulates collaboration. So as a follow-up, at that drinks table, I'd ask, how does your company build trust in marketing data across teams? Let's see what they bring up.